Number 1. The thin jig is a compact woodworking fixture designed to improve accuracy when cutting thin strips or guiding material across a table saw or a router table. Made from aluminum alloy, it is lightweight yet durable, with 2 bearings at the top that allow smooth forward movement. The jig includes slide blocks and a sliding tenon system, which make adjustments easy while keeping the setup stable once locked in place. Its corrosion-resistant scale provides clear, easy-to-read markings, helping woodworkers achieve consistent measurements and repeatable results. Compatibility is another advantage. The jig fits standard 34 by 38-inch cuts and 30mm T-rails, so it works with most table saws, router tables, and even band saws. By combining stability, precision, and versatility, the thin jig serves as a practical tool for anyone looking to maintain control and accuracy in woodworking projects. Number 2. The 4590-degree Center Finder Scriber is a measuring tool designed for marking precise centers and angles on discs, shafts, and other round materials. Constructed from aluminum alloy, it offers durability while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. The tool provides accuracy within 1 millimeter, making it reliable for high-precision woodworking tasks. Clear markings and straight edges allow for effortless scribing, ensuring consistent results at both 45 and 90 degrees. With a range of up to 35 inches, it can be applied to a variety of projects, from cabinetry to furniture making. Its compact design means it can fit easily into a tool belt, and a protective cover helps keep it safe during transport. Whether used in a workshop or on a job site, this Center Finder Scriber combines portability with accuracy, making angle marking faster and more efficient for carpenters and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 3. The Woodworking Bearing Roller Feeder is designed to guide material across table saws, band saws, and similar machines with greater stability and accuracy. Unlike traditional plates, its double roller system prevents wood from bouncing, ensuring smoother cuts and more consistent results. The feeder uses a shock-absorbing design with double slide blocks, providing enough bearing capacity to keep the workpiece steady during processing. It supports two-way feeding and allows flexible adjustment of roller height, making it adaptable to different wood thicknesses. Expansion options include 2 types of presses, each equipped with small and large sliders, compatible with number 30 and number 45 standard slots. This versatility means it can be used with table saws, band saws, and engraving machines. Constructed from high-strength aluminum alloy and precision bearings, the feeder is anodized and CNC processed for durability. Rust-resistant and wear-resistant, it delivers long-lasting performance in demanding woodworking environments. Number 4. The vertical hole punch locator is a drilling jig designed to make accurate hole placement simple and consistent. Built from aluminum alloy, it combines strength with a lightweight structure, making it easy to handle while durable enough for frequent use. The jig features a center line guide that ensures proper alignment when drilling into different surfaces, helping woodworkers avoid crooked or misaligned holes. Its fixed base supports a range of hole diameters from 3 to 10 millimeters, offering flexibility for both small and large projects. This versatility makes it useful for cabinetry, furniture building, and general woodworking tasks. The package includes 8 drill sleeves, allowing quick changes between sizes and providing everything needed for precise drilling right out of the box. Compact and user-friendly, the vertical hole punch locator is a practical fixture for beginners and experienced craftsmen who want reliable accuracy in their work. Number 5. The corner clamp angle pocket hole hand tool is a versatile fixture that combines the functions of a pocket hole clamp and a 90-degree angle clamp. This dual design makes it useful for joinery, assembly, and general woodworking projects. Built from high-carbon steel, the clamp offers strength and durability, allowing it to withstand heavy use in workshop conditions. Its movable jaws are designed to hold workpieces firmly without slipping, ensuring stability and precision during clamping. The tool is especially effective for maintaining square angles, making it ideal for carpenters and DIY enthusiasts working on frames, boxes, or cabinetry. A non-slip handle provides comfortable control and quick trigger release, while the maximum opening of 8 centimeters accommodates a wide range of materials. With its robust construction and reliable grip, The corner clamp serves as a practical solution for achieving accurate joints and maintaining consistent angles in woodworking tasks. Number 6. The Woodworking Arc Positioning Template KT R1 is a specialized jig designed to help carpenters and hobbyists achieve precise arc and corner positioning. Made from lightweight aluminum alloy, it combines durability with ease of handling, allowing comfortable one-hand operation during extended use. The template is engineered with accurate measurements, ensuring consistent results when marking or shaping curved edges in woodworking projects. A hex wrench is included, making adjustments and maintenance straightforward, so the tool remains reliable over time. Its ergonomic design reduces fatigue, while the sturdy construction extends service life even under frequent use. The package provides both the positioning template and the arc template, giving woodworkers everything they need to start working with precision right away. Compact, practical, and built for accuracy, the KT R1 template is a valuable fixture for furniture making, cabinetry, and any project requiring clean, repeatable curves and corner layouts. Number 7. The G-type woodworking clip is a versatile clamp designed for woodworking, home improvement, and even garden projects. With a maximum opening of 50 millimeters or about 2 inches, it can handle a wide range of clamping tasks. The clamp is equipped with rotatable, 2-color rubber-coated pads that provide a secure, non-slip grip on different surfaces. These pads adapt to the shape of the workpiece, holding it firmly while preventing scratches or damage. Constructed from durable ABS rubber, the clip is resistant to tearing and built for long-term use, even in demanding environments. A quick-release mechanism makes adjustments simple, while the large foot pad increases clamping force and stability. Lightweight at just 186 grams, it is easy to carry and practical for everyday use. Whether for DIY projects, carpentry, or household repairs, the G-type clip offers reliable performance and portability in a compact design. Number 8. The electric benchtop router table is designed to provide a stable and spacious workspace for woodworking projects. Its main table is made from aluminum alloy, with steel extension tables that expand the surface area for larger pieces. The easy slide design allows material to move smoothly, while a retractable guard helps contain wood chips, keeping the workspace cleaner and safer. A multifunctional fence supports different router bits and tasks, offering flexibility for shaping, edging, and joinery. The table also includes a precise miter gauge, enabling straight cuts and accurate angle measurements. Rust-resistant aluminum construction ensures durability while keeping the table lightweight enough for transport and setup. Wide-stance steel stands add stability during operation, reducing vibration and improving control. With its combination of durability, precision, and versatility, the benchtop router table is a practical addition to any woodworking environment, suitable for both professional carpenters and DIY enthusiasts. Number 9. The Woodworking Hole Locator Punch Locator is a drill guide tool designed to improve accuracy when creating holes in wood. Its structure includes an eccentric wheel drill sleeve with a clear scale, allowing users to adjust hole positions based on the length of the connecting rod. This design ensures precise and efficient drilling, reducing the risk of misalignment. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, the locator is durable and capable of withstanding frequent use in demanding woodworking environments. An adjustable clamping rotation knob adapts to different wood thicknesses, making the tool simple to operate. The set comes with a variety of accessories, including extension rods, positioning rods, drill sleeves in multiple sizes, knurled bolts, and spacing rings. These components provide flexibility for a wide range of projects. Suitable for furniture building, cabinetry, and DIY tasks, the Hole Locator offers professional results while remaining practical and easy to use. Number 10. The Hole Drill Guide Jig 3-in-1 is a versatile locator set designed for precise and vertical drilling in woodworking projects. Equipped with stainless steel bushings, it ensures durability and consistent accuracy, making it reliable for tasks that require exact hole alignment. The jig features an adjustable clamping range from 0 to 120 millimeters, allowing it to accommodate different wood thicknesses with ease. The kit includes drill bits in 3 sizes: 6, 8, and 10 millimeters, providing flexibility for doweling and other applications. Constructed from high-hardness aluminum alloy 6061 with stainless steel components, the jig is resistant to wear and breakage, ensuring long service life even under frequent use. The complete package comes with drill bushings, dowels, hex wrenches, and drill stops, giving woodworkers all the essentials for efficient drilling. Compact yet durable, this 3-in-1 guide jig is a practical tool for furniture making, cabinetry, and general woodworking projects.